here, I'm almost there. The water is almost filled to the top. You know, it originally runs all the way down here. And right now I'm going to start the tough part. Okay, so I've went ahead and cleaned the reactor. It's clean as a whistle. And I'm going to show you guys how to install the ChemiPure Elite in the actual reactor, because you take the ChemiPure out and it's in a bag. Kind of tough to get out. There we go. So you wonder how this is going to fit in here with the tube. Let me show you how that's done. So of course you want to always replace your little media stoppers. I use 2 little fishes. This is a good fit. You want to be sure to put them on the bottom of the actual tray, and then you want to put them on the top. Ta-da! Goes like this. As for this here, you're going to very simply wrap it around it. See how that's done? And this is what I believe the most effective way of using the ChemiPure. And it's very important to leave the ChemiPure in the bag. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. And then you go ahead and put the top on. Just to make sure the washer is always tight around the brim. And it's in there. There you go. Reactor ready to use. Brand new thing in ChemiPure. Okay, next process here is the same thing. Get another reactor, and I'm using the Fosband here. Real simple. And this, you want to make sure, of course, the sponge is on the bottom part of the reactor, and make sure the sponge is on the top. Going thusly. But first, just a little bit of technique. Drop this puppy all the way down to the bottom. And it's a little annoying getting this actual washer down to the bottom. So you might need to use a little improvise. Now there's a little bit of technique here. You want to make sure that you're not going to be using this bag. Just go ahead and cup the like this. You want to kind of pour it down the side, but the technique is not to get it in the tube. Kind of just turn it. Okay. Now I have full 150, full of the correct amount of Fosband. And there we go. Change out the media. Real easy. Now it's real important to leach the actual media. So you want to run a pump into this, into here, and just run this into waste. So you can put it on your sink, run a pump out of your sink of the water through here. I prefer to use RO water, so I have a bucket of RO water pumping in, and you let go all the runoff from the RO, because you don't want this first round of the first gallon of water coming out of your active reactor into your tank. You want to make sure that that is being expelled through a different way. Well, you can see that I'm halfway through with the water, considering where I'm at here. And if you look in the sump, everything is squeaky clean. I've went ahead and purged both reactors, and I go in here and I clean out every little bit, including the skimmer, make sure everything's so squeaky clean. Take every little bit of water out of the sump so it's completely dry, and then you take either end of the hose and fill it with water, plug it, and then siphon it.